If you are into wellness and therefore herbal healing, I'm going to teach you how to make your own supplements. You might wonder, why would you want to do this? Well, three things. First, quality. The FDA does not oversee herbal supplement testing, and the best way to know what's in it is if you make it. Second, pricing. If you take like 5 herbs at an average of $20 each, that's about $100 per month. But if you buy in bulk, that could last you a year. Third, you can customize your own formulations based on your particular needs. First, you want to make sure that the caps are the same size of the encapsulating machine. Then separate the capsules, the body, from the caps and put them in different containers. You can also buy them separately to save time. It's best to use gloves for hygiene. Take the spring and place the shaker plate on top. Place the body of the caps onto the shaking plate. Shake the plate and let them naturally fall into place. Notice not all caps will fall into place. Some you might need to do manually. Remove the excess caps. Lift the shaking plate and press the spring to notice if any of the caps fell backwards, and adjust manually. Place the spill guard on top of the spring and pour the herbal powder. Spread the contents with the spread guard. Tamp with the tamping tool. And repeat the process to fill them up to the top. Now the tamping tool should not be able to go through. Remove the excess and remove the spill guard. Take the plate for the caps and place the spill guard. Pour the caps of the capsules and shake it. Remove the excess remove the spill guard and place the green plate on top. Flip it over the spring and press firmly down. Lift the gray plate and lift the green plate. Flip it over and let the capsules fall. Place the caps in a container to store them. And finally, don't forget to label them.